Welcome to another episode of Women in Focus. We are in the house of a woman that I have admired for so many years, and it has taken me almost 10 years to get her to sit in this chair. Her name is Shelina. She is our Woman in Focus today. Well, hello, madam. How are you doing?
Thank you. It's a proud moment to be talking to a person whom I've always admired.
Oh,
And truly, you are the face of the community, of the South Asian community.
you're being very kind. You're being very kind.
It's the truth.
You have done so well in the community, for the community, the entire community. When I talk about the community, I know that you're Ismaili.
Yes.
But in the community, whether it is the Muslim community, the Hindu community, the Sikh community, everybody knows you. And it is your smile, it's the stuff that you give to them without anything in return. Let's go through the whole journey. Where were you born, Shelina?
I was born in Mwanza, East Africa,
Wow.
Tanzania,
Yes,
on the beautiful shores of Lake Victoria.
beautiful. And how long did you stay there before coming to Canada?
I was almost 26 when I moved to Canada in
Right.
1981.
Wow. And that was political? What was the reason?
No, my brother was here, so it sponsored us. So things were not that great in Tanzania, and thought that it was time to move on to a new country,
Right.
which we are truly blessed to call our new home, Canada.
That's true. That is true. But this is the place that we can truly call home, huh?
Absolutely. Because I think we call it home because I think in the whole world, Canada is a country which has embraced multiculturalism.
In a beautiful way.
Absolutely, absolutely. Like they say that diversity is strength, it's not weakness.
It is. It certainly is. When you left Tanzania, were you married?
No, I got married here
Really?
in 1985.
Wow. And how did you meet this great guy?
He was working for a video store
Uh-huh.
and met him there, went to rent some videos, and used to work for his brother
Yes.
and met him there.
Yes.
And I think at those days I used to see you there too.
So was it love at first sight?
I wouldn't say love at first sight, I think there was respect at first sight.
Very nice. Doing in life, how many children are we going to have? Did you guys plan all that?
I don't think so. We really planned. I think everything was in place. You know, it fell in place.
Yes.
Because it was the right thing. Everything fell in place. Yes, that we're going to have two kids, two boys. You know, we have two boys. Not that we had two kids now.
Yes.
So it just fell in place.
You know, Shelina, when you go back in your life, you are a very successful businesswoman. Nana's Kitchen is your baby. How did that start?
Nana's Kitchen, it's me and my sister Naseem, we are two partners.
Okay.
And basically we opened the restaurant in 99. Tough work, closed the restaurant down in 2000 and started the manufacturing.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a proud moment that the business is enjoying this in 16th year now. So it'll be
Wow.
16 years for our wholesale business.
Right. So what all does Nana's Kitchen produce?
We are manufacturers of frozen products. We do convenient comfort food for the global taste. We manufacture samosas, wraps, and that's our major line, but not restricting ourselves just for samosas. Like we do other flavors too.
I've seen your samosas at not at Indian, but at non-Indian places.
I think that was the focus we had in the
Right.
beginning, that the samosa market in British Columbia is a very saturated market.
Right.
Because of the South Asian penetration into British Columbia is huge.
Right.
So I think that we wanted to take our product, and that's the reason we call our product convenient comfort food for the global taste.
Right.
The main reason is the shape, the taste profile, everything is different.
Right.
So you can really see, and I can say, taste the difference.
You know, samosa is a samosa is a samosa. That's not true. Samosa is different.
Yes.
Every samosa is different.
Yes.
And you've just mentioned that. There are vegetarian samosas and then there are non-vegetarian
Right.
samosas. within the vegetarian samosas, there are different kinds of samosas.
Correct.
So did you have to do a little research in that, or was it your own?
No, I think that's where my sister Naseem comes in. She's
Yes.
got this forte of different flavors, different taste profiles, and that's what she does.
Right.
So she came up with quinoa lentil samosa that's out in the marketplace. We've got Cajun samosa, again vegetarian, and the regular vegetarian
Right.
samosa. That was our first creation, the vegetable, the original vegetable.
Like with peas and potatoes and...
Ours, that's what I'm saying. Nana's is different. And that's what's taken us to the convenient comfort food for the global taste.
Right.
And we are out in the major grocery store throughout North America, as far as Alaska, Hawaii. I think the reason we did it is because the shape, the pastry, the taste profile, everything is different.
So in the original samosas, so then what do you have in it?
So the original samosa that's available in the marketplace, the pastry is a little thicker.
Yes.
And it has just got potatoes and peas.
Okay.
And it's a joke that we call it an occasional pea.
More potatoes than
More
peas.
potatoes. Ours you'll find all mixed vegetables.
Right.
And the taste profile is again a little different.
Right. Right.
And it's very well now accepted in the Indo-Canadian, the South Asian market that we call.
That's right.
It took us almost 10, 12 years.
To get into
for
this
us to-
market.
Yes, to conquer the South Asian market. Now I see wherever I go, I meet people and they introduce me as Nana's Kitchen. Oh, okay, we eat your samosas buying from Safeways.
Right.
We buy them from Save On Foods.
Right.
So it's
So-
available at all grocery stores.
Major companies do
Major
carry them.
grocery stores.
I want to talk to you a little bit, take you back to your childhood and find out what did you want to do? Did you want to have Nana's Kitchen when you were a little girl? But I'm going to stop you there and take a short break and come back to it. Let's get the program paid for.
Yes.
Shelina is our woman in focus today. Don't go away. We'll be right back.